Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my house right here, and this is our road, and the road hasn't been plowed yet, so we're walking to the store because we're out of everything.
We have pancake mix and that's about it.
3-day blizzard, we're out of everything, so we're walking to the store. We'll see how this goes.
They have it.
Hi guys. Wow, look at this snow, huh? So I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing, which is super exciting. Maybe it's just like, you know, just a really light. It doesn't really seem to be sticking or anything, but it is snowing because we don't have enough of that.
Oh, hi.
Snowing.
It's snowing. I would be happy about it if there wasn't 4 feet of it.
Okay, we made it. We made it on our walk. It's really snowing now, but we have made it to the store. Let's see if they have what we need. There's the store.
There's no Girl Scout cookies. No Girl Scout cookies.
Where are the Girl Scouts when you need them, you know? Hi, we're here in the grocery aisle. We're getting what we can. They're pretty well stocked. They seem to be out of bread, but we also can only get what we can carry. How's the shopping going?
We're doing pretty good, I think, but we might be going a little overboard. I'm trying not to vote because I'm hungry and I would vote for everything in the store.
Good point. So, hey, so we got the backpacks full. We've got 3 extra bags, and of course the essentials. Got your groceries? Got your backpack?
Whoa.
Got your groceries? Got your backpack? Backpack? Toilet paper? All right, here we go. Heading back. It's the real deal, people. The real deal. It's not a drill. All right, we're taking a little break. I'm gonna guess this whole walk is probably gonna be like 3.5 miles, maybe, up and back. Just a guess. And we went shopping. It's pretty heavy on the shoulders. And we're just taking a little break. Cameron, how you feeling? Okay, that's how she's feeling. How you doing?
Tired and hungry.
Tired and hungry, but good thing we have food.
And we have a lot of it.
So much of it that we're taking a break. All right, guys, we're on our street now. This is our own little personal Spartan race we're doing here. We're going uphill in the snow. It's gonna be awesome. This is the final stretch, but the hardest part, the unplowed road. Kind of raining / snowing, but we did make it home. Victorious, walk in the door, let's go. Yeah. We made it home, people. It's the moment we've been waiting for. Woo! We made it! Victory, victory! Bye!